Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your browsing data in the Brave beta browser on mobile. This is very useful if you want to clear your history, cookies, cache. First, open the Brave beta browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Inside the Settings page, find Brave Shields and Privacy and tap on it. Next, scroll down until you see Delete Browsing Data and tap on it. Then, you will see a list of different types of data you can delete, including browsing history, cookies, cache, and other site data. Select the types of data you want to remove. After selecting the data, choose the time range you want to clear. You can pick from the last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Finally, tap on Delete Data to remove your browsing information. The browser will then clear the selected data based on your preferences. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.